nails, you'll make sure that you are going in this nails. I'm using brush size number 12. You definitely can go between 10, 12, or 14. So a lot of you will do like bigger or smaller. So it really depends on your preference. And then is a bigger brush hold more of the bristles, and then we'll pick up more monomers and more powder for you. So make sure before you start, make sure you stir your powder thoroughly, so then just make sure that all the particle and pigments mix so well together, and it's easy for you to pick it up the beads when you are going to apply the liquid and powder. So I'm going to stir it up, both of them, and then we're going to pick up the number 42, which is, I believe, is earthly, and this is number, hold on, 42 is earthly, number 32, which is this one right here, rose nude. This is so cute by itself too. So we're gonna submerging the bristle into the monomers, pick up like kind of a small mediums bead of earthly. See what is gonna turn out, and then right away I am going to wipe off the excess powder on, still stick on the bristle, pick up more monomers with the clean bristle, and then using the belly of the brush, belly of the bristle right here, and just like hold and tie the belly of it because it's not crimped, so it's so easy for you to control and sculpting the powder. And it really like, make sure you touch it like, don't do too aggressive because you're gonna pull all of the powder away because it's still setting right now. Okay, using the belly, it looks like I'm using the tips of it, but actually I using hold and tie the body. That's a powerful of Glitz acrylic brush, which is, I have it for a long time and it still lasts so long with me. I go between 10, 12, and 14. Okay, so then now make sure you are blending this part right here, which is, I would do about 50% of the nails and keep it really nice and blending flat, because the reason it is, you are going to go into the next colors and you want to make sure that you can able to blend it to the first color. So now clean the bristle, pick up the monomer, and pick up a smaller beads. Number 32, rose nude. And then place right above of the number, what is that number? This is a rose nude over earthly. So I'm not sure what number it is because I know that the name. And then we are going to using the belly of the bristle. Keep it parallel with the nails and blend it down. Okay, so I'm always doing it 2 beads. It's really depend. You can do 1 beads if you want to. And 2 bead is actually is really benefit for you because you can do it first bead. You can really like take your time and perfect your ombre part, and the second bead you can able to perfect your cuticle area. So I'm gonna do it tuck in the closer to the cuticles, just a hair away, and make sure you tuck it in and blend it. Okay. So now if you don't want anything else, I just want to get just a little bit touch right there. But if you don't want anything else, you can definitely go ahead and cap the crystal clear and you're good to go. And what we're going to wait until it's set, and then we'll buff and clean up and smooth the nails. And then we'll top coat it. But if you want to add something else on, I'm gonna go ahead and add something on it. I get this glitter from a past sub box I have. Also, this one's still available on the website. I mean, the glitters, some of the glitters similar. Which one should I add? Maybe I should get some butterflies, just a little bit. You saw that I did this one before, which is I really like it. It has, you can pick up a whole big I mean like a whole big or phones, like a brush if you want to, or you can just pick individual, which is I am doing it. Some of the I want the glitter. Hold on. I want some butterflies here. So now it's setting really nice because in my room is a little bit warmer. I don't know, it's just me or it just feel warm, and it's setting really fast. So we're gonna pick up some clear powder, as you can see, and then you can add it on the nails. So then that way it's kind of able to adhere yours. I'm gonna find some glitter right there. I would do like the butterfly first, and then wherever I want to add glitter on, I'm go ahead and add it on. But remember, you can add more or less, it's up to you, however you like, or however your clients that you are going to do the nails. I feel like it's the ombre is really nice, and I didn't want to like completely cover it. So now we're happy with this. We are going to cap it with the crystal clear. I would suggest the best to cap it is at least right where the ombre, and then with this design is where is ombre and where you encap your glitter, because you don't want to buff and then shape or is going to take off your glitter underneath on the top of the nail. So I'm going to cap like really good thin layer of the crystal clear on the entire this nails, the swatch or whatever you call. And again, I always use the belly of the bristles. The best benefit from a Glitz acrylic brush, it does everything for you, especially for beginners. This going to help you so much from sculpting and guiding your beads without pulling so hard off. And when you do it, just make sure you just like really, basically you pat it really gently. You don't want to go aggressive and pull so hard, because it's gonna go ahead and pull all of your powders away, which is you don't want. You want to sculpting it, not to like wiping it off. So great. So it's you the whole belly of the bristles and kind of remove the excess powder. So now you're happy with this. We are going to, you can see the arm from the sides. It's make it easy, and it's really smooth already for you. So it saves so much of your time if you pay attention. Whenever I do, I'm always using the belly of the bristle and then taper the beads like in the center. So the motion that you are moving your, like guiding your powder, in the meantime you are going to taper it in, so then they're not looks like they're bulky on the side, like you pat like this, and then all of the powder is spread it on the side. And then later, even though when you shape the nail so good and you work so hard on that shaping, and it still not look exact the way you wanted it, and it looks bulky on the sides. So that is the reason why is the Glitz acrylic brush is special designed for that. So if you, I turn it like this, you can see that how it guided it. It's really easy. and keep your beads stay nice and informed with the nails. All right, so let it set for a few minutes, and then we're moving on to the next nails. And the next